Hi friends, myself Dr. Jairamaya J.R., Assistant Professor Physics, Government Fazliat College, Tiptur, Tumkur District. The title of the paper is Quantum Mechanics for BSc Physics 5th semester. So today's session is gamma ray microscope experiment. Now, the objectives of this session is to verify the uncertainty principle. The session outcomes are theoretical explanation of Heisenberg uncertainty relation has been experimentally proved. Gamma ray microscope. Gamma ray microscope is an imaginary experiment. Here, this is a gamma ray photon emitted from a source of light. When a gamma ray photon from source of light is incident on an electron, the electrons are bounces into the microscope. A few electrons are bounces into the microscope. So this happens as a flash of light has entered into the photon. Now, it is an imaginary experiment to measure the position and momentum of an electron. So, the scattered photon from the electron entered into the microscope as a flash of light. Now, to be able to measure the position and momentum of an electron simultaneously, the accuracy in position of an electron is limited by the limit of resolution of a microscope. If delta x is an uncertainty or error in measure the position is equal to lambda upon 2n sin theta, where lambda is the wavelength of gamma ray photon, where n is the refractive index of the air medium is enclosed in the gamma ray apparatus. Here the refractive index of air is taken as 1, then the limit of resolution of microscope, the error in position, the minimum distance between the electron is delta x is equal to lambda divided by 2 sin theta, where delta x is to measure the distance between the two positions of an electron. The error in uncertainty delta x is lambda divided by 2n sin theta, where lambda is the wavelength of the gamma ray photon and n is the refractive index. The refractive index of air is taken as a 1. So, the measuring the momentum of an electron by make use of the Compton effect, there is a change in the momentum. When a gamma ray photon collide with the electron is rebounds or bounces, or electron will trajectory is move some certain distances. So there is a change in momentum, and the scattered photon are entered into the gamma ray microscope is anywhere between theta 90 minus theta and 90 plus theta between the microscope. Then calculate the momentum of the gamma ray photon by make use of the Compton effect. Then uncertainty of electron or error in momentum delta px is equal to 2h sin theta divided by lambda, where h is the Planck constant. Then delta x value into delta px is equal to delta x is limit of resolution of a microscope is lambda upon 2 sin theta, and change in momentum of the electron is 2h by lambda into sin theta. Substitute and simplify, then it gives delta x into delta px is equal to h, where h is the Planck constant. For more accurate, delta x into delta px is greater than or equal to this thing divided by 2 pi. For more accurate, delta x and delta of px is greater than or is equal to h divided by 2 pi. So this delta x and delta px is greater than or is equal to h du pi. It is in good agreement with the Werner-Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Hence, this is an experimental proof of theoretical explanation of the Werner-Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Now, some multiple choice questions are discussed in this session. The question one is, the limit of resolution of microscope is delta x is equal to n into lambda divided by 2 sin theta. Delta x is equal to lambda upon 2n sin theta. Delta x is equal to 2n lambda by sin theta, and none of these. Where n is the refractive index of the medium, then delta x is equal to lambda divided by 2n sin theta is the right answer for this question number 1. Answer option B is the right for the question 1. Next, question 2. The momentum of the scattered photon is delta px is equal to 2h upon lambda sin theta. Delta px is equal to 2h sin theta divided by lambda. Delta px is equal to lambda divided by 2h sin theta. Then option D is none of them. So the momentum of the scattered photon entered into the microscope, then according to the Compton shift, the momentum is calculated 2h sin theta divided by lambda is the correct one. Next question. Gamma ray microscope is a real experiment, an imaginary experiment, unable to validate uncertainty relation, none of them. Gamma ray is not a real experiment. Yes, B is an imaginary experiment is the right answer. So therefore, gamma ray microscope is an imaginary experiment. It is not a real experiment. Next question. Gamma ray microscope is an evidence of photoelectric effect, Compton effect, uncertainty principle, none of them. So Heisenberg uncertainty principle is a theoretical one. This theoretical principle formulated by Werner Heisenberg, it has experimentally proved by gamma ray microscope. Therefore, gamma ray microscope is an evidence of Werner Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Option C is the correct for the question. Some references of these sessions. Kshamata Muktavat, A.K. Upadhyaya, Applied Physics, IK International Publishing House, R. Murugesan, K. Siva Prasad, Modern Physics, H. and Company, etc. Thank you.